In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Zoho CRM seamlessly. This guide is perfect if you're looking to streamline your email marketing efforts and customer relationship management by syncing data between these two powerful platforms. So let's dive right in. First things first, open Google Chrome and navigate to your Zoho CRM. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the interface and find the setup icon, which usually looks like a spanner or gear. Go ahead and click on it. This section hosts various customization options for your CRM, allowing you to tweak it according to your business needs. Next, as we continue on this journey to connect Mailchimp with Zoho CRM, head over to the left sidebar of the setup page and find the marketplace. This is where you can find a plethora of extensions and integrations that can supercharge your CRM capabilities. Once you're in the marketplace, type Mailchimp into the search bar. The search function is pretty intuitive, so it should pop right up. Find Mailchimp in the list of results and click on it to view the available options and additional details about the integration. Now, it's time for the next step, which is installing the integration. Once you've clicked on Mailchimp, you should see an Install button displayed prominently. Go ahead and click it. You may be prompted to authorize the integration to access certain features within your Zoho CRM, so be sure to read through any permission requests carefully. Approve these authorizations to proceed, as they're necessary for seamless data interaction between the two platforms. Following the installation, you'll need to link your Mailchimp account to Zoho CRM. This process involves entering your Mailchimp login credentials, so be ready with your username and password. A tip here, ensure that the account you're using has the necessary permissions to access and manage Mailchimp data, as this will prevent any potential hiccups down the road. Once logged in, it's important to configure your sync settings for both contacts and campaigns. This step allows you to decide how and what kind of data will be synchronized between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp. Typically, you'll have options to sync different data fields, such as email addresses, names, tags, and specific campaign statistics. Take some time to align these settings with your business objectives. For example, if you want to ensure that a customer's email address is always updated, make sure that particular field is set to sync automatically. After configuring your sync preferences, it's crucial to save these settings to make sure they are applied correctly. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page, and click on it. With everything in place, you can now start syncing data between Zoho CRM and Mailchimp. Sit back and let the integration work its magic, helping you keep both platforms up to date effortlessly. And that's it! You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with